We are on the record in case number 24 CR 231, State of Kansas versus Caden Joseph West, County Attorney Jill Gillette for the state. Sir, are you Caden Joseph West?
Yes, I am.
Sir, you are here for first appearance on an arrest warrant to show cause why your probation should not be revoked, issued by Chief Judge David Rickey. The state is alleging that you have violated your community corrections assignment and it should be revoked and you should serve your sentence. Specifically, the state is alleging that you failed to report to your intensive supervision officer as required. That you
Last thing I received in the mail was we was waiting on paperwork from you guys. That's why I wasn't showing up, because there was no appointments made because we were still waiting on paperwork from you guys.
Well, this
The last thing I received in the mail.
All right, sir. Well, your motion to revoke alleges that you had failed to report to Sedgwick County Community Corrections for courtesy supervision.
I did report, and you guys failed to send the paperwork.
You can take that up before Judge Rickey. He's the one to decide whether you violated or not.
All right, then why am I not before Judge Rickey right now?
Because you're before me. You got yourself arrested before.
I did not get myself arrested. I was on my way here to settle this stuff, and you guys arrested me.
Well, it's alleged your conduct got you arrested. It's
alleged is not alleged. Is just
settle down and there's no need in taking out your frustration or hostility.
I'm not frustrated. I'm not hostile. I'm just pointing out the fact that you're allegedly.
Well, let me finish, okay? I don't want to take up any more of your time than you want me to, so just let me finish. Before Judge Rickey, you're going to have to answer to these allegations that you failed to report to your intensive supervision officer, that you failed to report to the Sedgwick County Community Corrections for courtesy supervision, that a phone call was attempted, but your mailbox was full, so a letter was sent to your last known address instructing you to respond prior
on
to
the
July
16th.
16th.
On this letter finish on the 16th of this month.
Yeah, let me finish. I'm just trying to tell you what they're saying so you can be prepared. If you don't want to be prepared, fine. I don't need to go into this. But they're saying that a letter was sent at your last known address instructing you to respond prior to July 16th, 2025, that you failed to respond to the letter and that your current whereabouts were unknown at the time they filed this motion. Bullshit. Do you want to be found in contempt of court? Do you know what that means? If you're found in contempt of court and being disrespectful to the court process, you can be fined. You can also be held in jail for additional time. I think you're going to turn around here and try to ask for bond from me, who you've just said that to. Somewhere that I don't see a lot of intelligent thinking before acting today.
Hey, be respectful.
I just said sorry.
I didn't hear sorry. I just saw you rub your chest.
This is sorry in sign language.
What makes you think I know sign language?
I don't know. I was trying to be respectful by not opening my mouth, because every time I open my mouth, I'm disrespectful. So I was trying alternative routes.
Okay.
What else? What other languages do you assume I know besides sign language?
See, now we're off topic.
If you had handled your probation.
I did handle my probation. I was supposed to report the 16th. I was arrested on the 14th.
Word of caution to you, don't go acting like that in front of Judge Rickey. Maybe you think because I'm a female you can talk to me that way. I don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm going to have to find you in contempt, aren't I? You're just
for what? I ain't said nothing.
You're being so disrespectful.
How am I being disrespectful? I'm sitting here silently waiting on you.
Lower your voice.
Well, that would be a start. Lower your voice. Quit screaming and quit mocking and talking down. Be patient. Those are some things you can do differently. All right, do you want to know what they've accused you of or not? I'm not accusing you, I'm just trying to inform you. Do you want to know what you're going to be looking at when you get in front of Judge Ricky?
Yeah, I know what I'm looking at. 2 months. That's all that's left on for me to max out my sentence.
Well, whether you want to hear it or not, I've told you what the allegations are and that you failed to respond and that they didn't know where you were where you could be located, where your whereabouts were known when they filed this on July 31st, 2025. Now then, do you want to hire an attorney or apply for court appointed on this, or do you want to try to represent yourself on this?
Court appointed.
All right, you're going to have to fill out an application.
You guys shouldn't have that all on file still. Ain't nothing changed for me.
You fill out your application, you get it back to the deputy, and she or he can get it to me. And I hope you behave yourself, because I really don't want to have to do a contempt citation today. I've got plenty of other paperwork to do. But if you keep pushing me, I'm going to have to take some action against you. All right. If there's nothing further, Judge Ricky set your bond already at,
What is my bond?
well, that's what I'm looking to see what he set it at.
It's 10.
10,000 cash or surety required. And I'm not going to change Judge Ricky's order, and if I did, it probably would go up based on the way you've acted today. Ms.
Did we give
Gillette,
him a court date?
we didn't. What is it?
October 9th at 10 o'clock.
You must be
fucking
back.
serious?
All right, there you
October?
go.
Just take a deep breath
$10,000.
till we get done with this.
$10,000 cash
The
or
reason why
surety.
they couldn't find me is because they
Look at
weren't
me.
looking for
Wait
me.
till we're finished.
I just found you in contempt. You just used.
I was talking with the officer and I was.
Aiden,
You're
this is
in
my
a
whole
court of
point.
law. You're in a court of law. You know, sit yourself.
Talking to you, you're my
You're
representation.
loud.
I'm sorry that I'm fucking loud. Damn, man. I don't have any representation. I'm trying to understand what the fuck is going on. I have mental issues and everything else, and you guys are not doing anything to explain to me what the fuck is going on.
Come on,
Because you
Aiden.
won't sit down and listen. All right. $10,000 cash or surety you owe or $10,000 fine you owe for contempt.
I was to work on this.
He's going to get the last one, Your Honor.
Okay, when that one calms down, do try to get him the application for an attorney.
Okay.
That was $10,000 contempt.
Yes, $10,000 for contempt for the repeated language. And then his bond, Judge Ricky said at 10,000. Those are two separate amounts.